Hello everyone, I am Parike Johnson and I am from Aeronautical Department, third semester A section. My today's Tech Talk subject is Mechanics of Solids and my topic is Fatigue Characteristic Analysis of New ECO 7175V1 Extruded Aluminum Alloy. So we are going to talk about an alloy which is extruded with some different compositions, and the abstract is fatigue characteristics of a new extruded aluminum 7175 with an experimental composition where a magnesium calcium alloy is used during the alloying process instead of the standard for magnesium is investigated. This new aluminum 7175, dubbed as aluminum ECO 7175V1, result in a cleaner manufacturing process and improves mechanical properties. The fatigue behavior of the new aluminum ECO 7175B1 with T74 temper is investigated. Sorry, experimental data showed the fatigue life of ECO 7175V1. Thus, T74 aluminum can exceed 107 cycles with a fatigue strength of approximately 207 megapascals. About 36% of its tensile strength. Factography results show that failure modes are predominantly ductile near the surface while brittle towards the center. So this is all about the abstract, and moving forward to the introduction. Aluminum is an abundant material that is relatively soft, ductile, malleable, and lightweight. Aluminum also has good strength to weight ratio. This corrosion resistance and low thermal expansion. As a result, it is widely used in the aerospace industry due to many of its attractive properties. However, the inherent strength of the material leaves more to be desired. Mm, Therefore, aluminum is typically alloyed with other elements to improve its strength. The increased strength is particularly important when taking fatigue resistance into consideration. Materials with high strengths have higher fatigue resistances. Uh, to improve upon its strength and other properties, aluminum is commonly alloyed with various elements such as copper and zinc. So this is all about the introduction. Moving forward, manufactured composition of aluminum ECO 7175V1-T74. So let's look up at that. The element composition in percentage. So the element composition of aluminum is balanced in this special type of aluminum. So let's look at the other compositions. Calcium with a percentage of 0.041 and chromium of 0.21 percentage and copper of 1.74 percentage, iron of 0.08 percentage, magnesium of 2.7473 percentage, and manganese of 0.01 percentage, silicon of 0.04 percentage, titanium of 0.028 percentage, and finally zinc of 5.95 percentage. So after the balanced aluminum, zinc is the highest percentage composition in this special aluminum. So moving forward, generally silicon and iron are not desired in aluminum alloys as they decrease the fatigue strength of the material, though the formation of this aluminum. However, silicon and iron are present in the specimens because they are impurities which are typically found in stock aluminum. So there is some information regarding the composition of this special aluminum. So we're moving forward to the next. Hope you all came to know about the special aluminum and its composition and along with its properties and its usage in the present technology. So the conclusion is ECO 7175V1 extruded aluminum alloy with temper T74 is subjected to a fully reversed bending load and examined to find its mechanical characteristics. The generated S and curve show that the fatigue life of the new fabricated Echo 7175V1 T74 aluminum can exceed 1 107 cycles with a fatigue strength of approximately 207 megapascals of pressure or less, about 36% of its tensile strength. Fracture analysis indicated that cracked surface of specimens at high stresses typically exhibited mixed failure models where the outer rims are predominantly ductile and the inner surface are predominantly brittle. In addition, fracture surfaces of specimens at higher stresses typically have many more cracks initiation points around the surface. Conversely, specimens at lower stresses have fewer crack initiation points at the surface of the specimens. Irrespective of stresses amplitude, all specimens crack initiation are seen at the surface and no inclusions to act as stress concentrators were seen at those initiation points. So these are some uses and abilities, advantages and disadvantages of the novel special aluminum of ECO 7175E1, which is an extruded aluminum alloy, and hope you all get what is this kind of special aluminum. And finally, thank you.